The inflation rate in August decreased from July 2021, which was 0.08%, but still higher than the previous year, which experienced a deflation of 0.5%. However, how exactly is Indonesia's inflation record throughout this year? Let's see the data in following graphic. This is Indonesia's 2021 Consumer Price Index. The data was quite fluctuative, but in May, it was on the level of 0.32%. And in June, it was decreased significantly to 0.16 or minus 0.16. And the number was increased to the level of 0.08%, and in August, 0.03%. This decline in August inflation has been predicted, among others, by the chief economist of Bank Permata, Joshua Pardede, where the slowdown in monthly inflation is estimated to be driven by a decline in prices for volatile goods components caused by the decline in most food commodity prices. He previously also predicted a limited increase in core inflation, which would be in line with the loosening of the PPKM and followed by a period of payment of education fees. Meanwhile, Bank Danamon's chief economist Wisnu Wardana, in his estimate, stated that demand in August 2021 will improve because people's mobility is gradually recovering, along with the relaxation of activity restrictions. So are the economist's estimates really reflected in the inflation contributor data? Let's check it through the next graphic. This is August 2021 inflation contributors. The highest one is education, 0.07%. Meantime, for health, housing, water, electricity, and domestic fuel, and of course food and beverage and profession restaurants, as much as 0.01%. We compiled the data from Central Statistic Agency. The contributors to inflation were divided into various categories of expenditure, or can be called consumption. Head of the Central Statistic Agency, Margo Yuwono, said that the upper middle group had relatively slow consumption growth compared to the previous period, in early pandemic period, where he said the upper middle class held back spending. He said that caution is needed to pay attention to household consumption, considering that household consumption is one of the driving forces of economic growth. So it is necessary to pay attention on how to encourage the spending of the middle to upper class, especially as we know that inflation is closely related to the level of consumption and people's purchasing power.